Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Tombow USA. I am on their design team and our prompt for this week was to create a self-portrait. So for mine, I'm doing a paper crafty one because that's how I do. So I just have a 6-inch embroidery hoop here and I'm adding some of the Tombow Mono Aqua liquid glue to the outer, I guess, front. Like the front of it, not the sides, just the front, not the inside, just the front. And then I'm going to add some gold glitter on top, and the thing wasn't shaking out as much glitter as I was wanting, so I just started dumping it on there to give me a lot of gold glitter because that's how I roll. You guys know I love gold glitter, so I felt like I could not put gold glitter in my self-portrait project. So that's why there's a crap ton of glitter. So I love how it is just like on that front edge. I think that's really cute because I like the natural wood of it as well. So it gives a little bit of extra sparkle. I had an extra 6-inch hoop, so I'm just going to trace around it on this constellation paper that is from the Creekside collection. And I will link all of the supplies and stuff I used down below. There is also a blog post with detailed pictures and like up close pictures and stuff over on the Tombow blog, so I will leave a link to that down in the description bar too. So I just wanted to make sure that the back panel of my little self-portrait hoop would fit correctly, and it does. And then I love this picture of myself. It's me at like one of my most happiest like recent moments, so I love it. I look so joyful in it. Yeah, and I'm doing my thing. I'm doing my hiking with my space bun, so I felt like that was perfect for this project. So I just printed it out in black and white on some, I think it was matte photo paper, and then I cut it out, fussy cut it out, and now I'm going to trace the silhouette of my picture on some of this gold glitter cardstock, and then I will trim that out as well, and it will become kind of like a shadow of me, I guess. You'll see what I mean here in just a moment. But the reason I chose to do this technique was to kind of tie in the gold glitter that I added to the embroidery hoop frame. That way it wasn't just like bam in your face gold glitter with nothing else on the project to kind of coordinate it. So I thought this would be a fun way to incorporate a little bit more gold. And I'm using the Tombow Mono Aqua liquid glue again to add some adhesive to the back of the picture because I know it will stick really well on top of that glitter paper that I'm using. So I'm going to just set that aside to finish drying. And at this point I need to start assembling my embroidery hoop. So I'm going to add some more of that Tombow adhesive to the back like side of my hoop, and then I'm going to add on the paper, and this will create a nice starry background for my little self-portrait. And I'm going to use that extra embroidery hoop once again to draw a curved line where my images will meet up against the inside of the hoop. And I'm just using a Tombow Mono drawing pencil for that. And then I will go ahead and trim off the excess. That way it sits in the frame really nicely and really cutely and looks kind of layered and adorable. And I think my camera cut off, but I did use some of the Tombow Mono Adhesive Plus Permanent, which is their like dry tape runner, to adhere the little like silhouettes of the trees cut out in there. And then I'm going to use some of the Tombow foam tape to adhere down my self-portrait portion of this project, like the picture of me, not only to adhere it into the frame, but also to give it a little bit of dimension, because I think that'll be nice. It'll bump up the picture almost halfway from the bottom like panel, that star paper, about halfway from that up to the top of the frame where the glitter is. So I feel like that's kind of nice. It gives a little bit more interest, a little bit more fun. And then I'm going to peel off the backing of this foam tape and then stick myself right in the frame, and I think it is super duper cute. And I love how there's that dimension in there. There's like the little shadowing behind it, and it just, I don't know, makes it look a little bit more special. And then I'm going to use some stickers here to spell out the word happy, and I'm just going to put them right up along that edge, that inside edge of the frame. Yeah, and kind of curve it around so it fits on me because I'm very happy in the picture and I like to be happy. But basically this whole thing is very much a representation of me. I feel like I love embroidery, I love paper crafting, I love hiking, I love the stars, I love constellations. Speaking of which, that's that constellation sticker right there. That's my sign. I'm a Cancer, and I was so stoked that they had the astrological like constellation thing in this little sticker book. It made me so happy. But that is about it for my self-portrait project. If you guys want to do a self-portrait, I would love to see. So if you make a video or something, leave me a link down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!